Margaret, can you blow a kiss? Margaret. Margaret, can you blow a kiss? Are you talking in your cup?
Yeah.
Can you blow a kiss? Good job. Blow it. Mwah. Oh, a double one. We have to do more blowing. One kiss and a blow. Shh. Good job. Mwah. Is that funny? Ha ha ha. Is that funny? How's your bath? Is your bath good? Are you enjoying it? Can you wave hi? Hi. Yeah, sweet girl. Can you say Happy Mother's Day?
That would be pretty awesome.
Yeah. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
There you go. Are you shy? Are you shy now? Bubbles? Ha ha ha. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What about matching hang glider?
Bye-bye. No waving?